We're gonna cook a beautiful deep fried butter king prawns from start to finish, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin kitchen today, guys. I show you guys how I clean up my king prawns yesterday, how I prepare it. So today we're gonna do the recipe. The recipe we're gonna do today is butter deep fry king prawns, people. Before I do, this is all the season we're gonna do to prepare it. We have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of fish season. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have a pinch of black pepper. We have a pinch of onion powder with lemon. And we have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have 1.5 tablespoon of vodka over here we're going to do, people. We have 2 tablespoons of sweet and sour chili. You can use any type of chili for your preference. We have 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Over here we have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour again. So this one is for the dry rub and this is for the wet rub. Before I do, guys, this is all the recipe we're gonna do today in Selvin kitchen. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, if you look what I'm doing here, people, let's cut some line. Let's give it a nice cut in the bottom of it, the 3 line. See, if you look at it, I don't cut it right through. So now I'm just gonna add some pepper over it. Just a little bit of pepper and salt I'm gonna put over it. A little bit of salt and pepper. Then just gonna mix them up slightly. And then I'm gonna look out for my wet rub now. So I will see you guys in a sec. Yes, my beautiful people, so now I'm just gonna prepare the wet rub for the beautiful, nice king prawns what we're doing. Right now we're just gonna add in all of the spices, all of the seasons them. So this is the all-purpose season, get that away. Smoked paprika. Get that away, people, gonna grab out all of that. So tell a friend to tell a friend, and please share and like the video in your community, people, with your friends at home, with your dad, with your mom. Tell them about Selvin kitchen because we have a lot of awesome delicious recipe coming out. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna mix it up, mixing all of that season together, all of that black pepper, all of that smoked paprika, that garlic powder, that onion, with that lemon. So you want everything to combine together. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add in a little bit of beer in it. You can use any type of beer. I was looking for the red stripe beer, but I couldn't get any red stripe beer. Just gonna use a whisk and whisk it around. And then gonna add in my vodka. Gonna add in a little bit more beer in it.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well. Don't know.
Yes, my beautiful people, I'm just gonna add in some salt and pepper in that flour. When you add in the salt and pepper, just use a spoon to mix that salt and pepper to combine with that flour. You want everything to combine with each other. Then after, I'm just gonna use some of the king prawns and put right in that dry flour. Any excess flour on that king prawns, you just shake it off. You don't want too much dry flour on it. Then after, I put some of them in the bowl, because then after, I'm gonna put them in the wet rub and then I'm gonna fry them. Why I'm doing this, because I want them to come out nice and crispy on the outside and juicy in the inside, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, so I finished the dry rub. So now I'm just gonna put them in the wet rub. I want them come out to nice and crispy on the outside and nice and juicy in the inside. So now I'm just gonna add some of them in the bowl. I'm just gonna mix them up. You wanna mix in all of that wet rub together with that dry rub, with that vodka and with that beer, everything to combine with each other. Don't worry about it. As soon as they hit the fire, the alcohol will vanish away. So now I'm just gonna fry some of them now, guys. Yes, my people. So my oil, they're already hot. So what I'm gonna do now is you want to drain off all of that excess fluid off of it, excess flour. You want to drop them in like that. Remember people, this don't take long to fry. Beautiful recipe we're doing today, guys. You can try this recipe at home. So I'll just spin them in, give them around a couple seconds, then you turn them around. Okay, remember guys, you don't want to keep them in for more than around 2 minutes. So you guys can try this recipe and just let me know how this recipe turned out for you people. Remember, it's not chicken we're doing today, guys. It's king prawns, so it's very easy. You don't want to give it no more than 2 minutes. You can smell that beer, you can smell that vodka is kicking up already. Yes guys, so this batch already fry already. I'm just gonna take them out. You don't want to give it no more than 2 minutes, people. To 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Remember, you want it crispy on the outside and nice and juicy and tender in the inside. So you don't want to give them no more than 1.5 to 2 minutes because you don't want them to burn. So now I'm just gonna take out this first batch. Okay, if you look at it, guys, it's nice and crispy on the outside. And in the inside is finger licking. This recipe is juicy. It's a very easy recipe. Anybody can do this recipe. So you can try this recipe for your home. Like you guys sitting down at home watching a movie or doing something with a family. It's a very easy recipe. So guys, check out this recipe and tell me what you think. And please give me a thumbs up for the video. At Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're always doing something new. So sit back and enjoy the recipe. Beautiful recipe, guys.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Beautiful people, beautiful. So these one already done already. Look at that, people. Look at that, nice and crunchy. Look at that. I was eating this one already. Look at that. Oh my god, let me try it. That's what I'm talking about. Crunchy on the outside and juicy in the inside, people.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Yes, my beautiful people, so this now I'm just gonna make the sauce now for it. The sweet chili and the ketchup and the soya sauce and the oyster sauce. Wow. So gonna scrape this right out. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Another pinch of water. And then a little bit of beer in it. Give it a nice stir. You want to give it around 2 minutes. So a lot of alcohol to come out of it. When it starts to boil, it's ready. Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished now. Turn off the fire. It's all finished. I'm gonna leave this to cool. Look at that, my beautiful people. So this is the sauce to go with that nice juicy king prawns we have over here. Look at that, guys. I wish if you guys was here to try some of this. Yes, my beautiful people, this is an awesome, delicious recipe. This is a very easy recipe, finger-licking, mouth-watering recipe, guys. It's very crispy on the outside and nice and juicy in the inside. So, guys, please try this recipe and let me know. And please like the video before you go. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. And please check out the channel for the rest of the beautiful, awesome, delicious recipe we have there. Anybody want to be a patron? I'm going to drop the link. Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, walk good. Selvin Kitchen, a lot of love.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down